Hey there, welcome back to channel. Today Redmi 13 series launched in China. So if you are already using Redmi Note 12 Pro, today you have to upgrade to Redmi Note 13 series. Find out in this video. I am Shadat from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. So guys, let's start the video. The Redmi Note 13 Pro comes with 6.67 inch 1.5K OLED TCL C7 12-bit display with 120Hz refresh rate, and the good thing is the phone comes with 1800 peak brightness, and the smartphone built with Gorilla Glass Big Touch in the front and back. Let's now talk about the processor and the OS. The phone running Android 13 with MIUI 14. The phone comes with Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 processor with LPDDR4X RAM with UFS 2.2 storage, up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. Next, talk about the camera. The phone comes with triple camera setup in the back. The 200MP main sensor, 8MP ultra wide and 2MP macro camera. You can record highest only 4K 30fps and 1080p. You also record 30, 60, 120fps to 40fps slow-mo video, and the video quality is not bad according to the price. The phone powered by 5100 mAh battery and also comes with 67W fast charger. And the phone also comes with in-display fingerprint scanner and also stereo speaker. So if you are already using Redmi Note 12 Pro and if you want to upgrade, so definitely you can upgrade to Redmi Note 13 Pro or Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. So that's pretty much for today's video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching you in the next one. Take care. Allah.